people, welcome to 10 hours in New York. Obviously I'm not in New York right now, I'm currently in Ghana in my room, but this is just a reminder to put Ghana on your bucket list for travel countries in 2021. I mean, well, not travel in 2021, but like put it in your bucket. My gosh. Okay, time for New York. Touchdown in New York. Technically I can't take off my mask just yet because I'm in the airport, but guys, look at this, we made it to destination 1, and I'm gonna finish my research on all the different places that I want to see in this limited. You know what, I'm gonna come back when I have my mask on. Okay guys, so I'm finally out of the airport so I can take off my mask for like a second. But this is my cousin Afene, and she just so graciously came to pick me up from the airport. The flight was actually really chill. Can you hear me? Is it too loud? The flight was actually really chill. It wasn't bad at all. I'm very excited for this journey. And so welcome to 8 hours. 8 hours in New York, because we have to come back by 12, right? Yes. Okay, so welcome to my vlog on 8 hours in New York. So guys, we've gotten to our destination, kind of, but they open at 8, so they're right behind us. We're going to the Black Seed Bagel shop. I am super excited because this is so incredible. I'm just like, this is the place from the movies. I'm actually so excited. This is very exciting. Should we go? So I've been to New York before, but I was really little, right? So technically all this traveling that I'm doing now is me, I am taking it as me traveling literally to these spaces for the first time because I don't remember anything. And this is so cool, guys. This is cool. Look at this wall. It's even a grey wall. It's great for pictures. See, I'm not in awe of the wall. I'm just in awe of the, I'm in awe of the wall for the pictures. There we go. Yeah. There we go. And so yeah, there's so many cafes. They're not open yet because we're still pretty early. Yeah, it's still early. I'll show you some scenes. So right now we're in Lower Manhattan, in Chinatown, and we're looking for a bubble tea place. Bubble tea?
We're looking for a bubble tea, and we're also looking for the arch so she can take pictures.
So I can take pictures near the art. So yeah. For this?
Can you stop calling me that?
Sugar mommy, no sugar. Very good. Hello my pals. So I got the orange juice and then I got the everything grain bagel with salmon. I found this place because I was doing a little research because I want a bagel in New York City. Did you see how they were wrapping it? It's like super speed. Yeah. I was like, wow. That's very good.
And then pasta with no
I don't think my first pick on a date would be to eat a bagel. So I got for free, but
on a first date. Yeah, anything sandwich is a no. Sushi. Sushi is a good one for a first date.
Okay.
It's a mess. Some people can't say my name. I'm just like, it's not that complicated. Some people say Amari.
Amari? Amari?
That's a mess.
So we finished eating and right now we're going to Central Park. First of all, what the heck is steps? What's wrong with you guys? What's wrong with this city? Steps. This is so incredible. I'm just like, this is the place from the movies. Steps. Let me even tell you the station so you avoid it. 7th Avenue Station. What's wrong with you? I can't breathe. Oh my God.
Stars up above me, stars in my eyes, fire below me, starting to rise. I'm my own captain, hanging on tight tonight.
So one day, people, one day, there, mark my words, interviewed.
Leave regrets and anxious and hopes and bets, and wondering what would happen. Think I leave.
Welcome to Central Park. Well, that's it. Off to Times Square. Guys, we made it to Times Square. So at nighttime, right, all these screens are lit. All the stores have light, and it's just like beautiful. It's just pretty. And the funny thing about this place is that there's always something going on. But I think my favorite part has been the police officers taking pictures. I thought that was so cute. Right now we're going to go look for some bubble tea, but I'm taking some shots here. Some pictures are nice, you know how it is. You know, don't like pigeons though, tell you that for free. So right before the music starts, we made it to the Sugar Factory, and here's the menu. I'm kidding, it's water. Okay guys, so we are at our last and final stop, which is the airport. It has been quite the adventure. Thank you to my sponsor again for sponsoring this whole trip. And Jenny, we're on the air train. I hope you could hear every single thing I just said. But if you didn't, have a nice video. Okay, so I have a couple of minutes left till it is like my flight time. However, because I did the thing where I went out, I actually don't know what my gate is, and I don't see any of the screens that tell you where your flight is. So am I freaking out? No, this is chill.
I just might be a black Bill Gates in the making. So watch this space. Watch this space.